Several years ago, when they have just constructed the highway from Ore to Benin, the road was wonderful, smooth, and drivers were going at any speed, on unlimited speed, because there wasn't that kind of road anywhere in Nigeria at the time. And in those days, they had these cars they called station wagon to use as a means of transportation. And one of my daughters was going from Lagos to Port Harcourt. He was sitting at the back seat of the station wagon. You remember station wagon? Doors in front, doors in the middle, and then 2 seats at the back. It was in the seat at the back. He was reading his little pocket Bible, and the car was going at top speed. And all of a sudden, the car at the tire burst, and the car began to somersault. But as soon as the girl heard the sound, whoa, she shouted, out of the abundance of the heart. The mouth speaks. When you get into sudden trouble, it's what is in you that will come out first. She shouted, Jesus. And the middle door opened. A huge, unnatural hand reached back to the back seat, grabbed my daughter, pulled her out, sat her by the roadside, and she sat there watching the car somersaulting until it landed on its back. Every other vehicle coming, when they saw what was happening, they all parked. And then they saw everybody, of course, was dead. And they saw this young girl sitting by the roadside. Hello, what are you doing here? How did you get inside? I came from that car. Oh. Who are you deceiving? He said, my Bible is in the car. Go and check. What's your name? He gave the name. And they got to the back seat.